Hey, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Beau Beery. I'm a multifamily real estate broker in the Florida market. I've had great success in my real estate career, and a lot of that is because I read a lot of books. Many of those books have been in hardcover, paperback, and on CD that I've kept throughout the years. I got to thinking the other day, I hate seeing these books collecting dust that I've already read. So I'm giving these books away. I'm giving away, no strings attached, no pay for shipping, the most incredible, valuable assemblage of the top authors in business, real estate, and self-improvement that you could ever bundle together in one spot. I'm looking to give these books away to a young, hungry superstar. Someone who, when these books are in their hands and they get through reading these over the course of weeks or months, it's inevitable they're going to be a monster in any business or real estate endeavor they go into. To enter for a chance to win all these books, click on the link below. That'll take you to a form that you filled out with your contact information. I will then be randomizing on an app who the winner of these books are, and I will be doing it live on December 30th. A list of all the books will also be down in that link, and I'll even be giving away the book that I wrote, Multifamily Investors Who Dominate. So if you know someone who's deserving of these books, who has a fire in the belly to achieve big things into the future, forward along that link so they can fill it out and enter themselves into the drawing. Good luck, everybody.